Hello, and welcome to Ouija Kites. Here you will learn how to make kites with precision and quality. Today, we will build a 24 inches big kite, using the Ouija board, to ensure symmetrical measurements and a great finish. Selecting and preparing the sticks. To begin, we choose the ideal sticks for our kite. The central stick will be the base of the structure, and on it we will mark the measurements of the upper stick and the lower stick. Building the frame. We begin by tying the upper stick and the lower stick together, tying the structure together, known as crisscrossing. Structure adjustments. With the crisscrossed structure ready, we return to the Ouija board to mark the span measurements of the upper and lower sticks. Then, we cut off the excess ends, ensuring that the kite is symmetrical and balanced. Finalizing the frame. Now, we tie the outer contour of the kite. This contour is essential, as it is where the paper will be folded and glued. Cutting and gluing the paper. With the frame ready, we start cutting the paper, adjusting and cutting out the necessary details. Then, we move on to gluing the paper to the frame, ensuring a perfect fit and an impeccable design. Presentation of the finished kite. And here is our finished brass Ouija kite. Made with precision, using the Ouija board to ensure perfect measurements and a stable flight. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next content. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next content. See you next time.